Hey, what is up everybody, my name is Darkside. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a cool thumbnail for your YouTube video. So yeah, let's get started. So I just made a Fortnite video. I'm gonna make a thumbnail for that. And that's not gonna be uploaded in this channel, so don't worry and don't wait for it. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is choose a cool scene from your video. Or if you've made a tutorial or a gameplay video, you can follow my steps. For a YouTube thumbnail, the white will be 124 pixels. Make the height 720 pixels. So that's a YouTube thumbnail resolution. Change the resolution to 72. And what you're gonna do is get a thumbnail. You can get the thumbnail from your video. And yep, just continue on. I have my one, so I'm gonna go with that. There you go. You can press Ctrl and reshape it. You can also press Shift and reshape it, so it will remain in the perfect size. There you go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually make a new preset where I'll edit the characters. So I'm gonna be working on this character right here, and what you'll need to do is get the polygonal tool and cut the outside of the character. Polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool, your wish, and zoom in a little bit and take time, make it good. The more details you get, the more it looks cool. So yeah. So it's done. I got it pretty good. Then I'm gonna have to copy it. Then I'm gonna copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C. Oops, Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus C, and I'm gonna paste it just by pressing Ctrl plus V. And then I'll press Ctrl plus T, so it'll select it. And I'm just gonna place it there. So it looks good, and I'm gonna make it a little blurry. So go to filters, go to blur, and I'm gonna go with the Gaussian blur. I'm gonna increase a little bit, and yep, that already looks good. I also want the Fortnite logo, so I'm gonna cut that as well. I'm gonna copy that as well and paste it. I want it a little this side, yep. What I have to do is I want a little cool stroke outside of these characters, so I'm gonna go to layer, right click, go to blending options, my bad, go to strokes, and it already adds a little cool black stroke, but I want it to be a little blue. We can make it white or just leave it black, and I'm gonna increase the size a little bit. I'm gonna go with 12. You might also want to add some text on it, so find a cool font and for the sake of time, I'm gonna use the Arial text, which is absolutely worse. You guys shouldn't use it. And I'm gonna write fort, knight, write anything you want. You might want some cool shadow effect, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna increase the size a little. So what I'm gonna do is tilt it a little, and yep, that looks good. So guys, that's it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a like, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah.